Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Jaylynn, and I'm back with another lit banger.
Walk in your trap and take over. Name another that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more. I got a show.
So y'all can tell by the title, today's video is just gonna be another wig install. I kind of picked up this video late or whatever, but this is what the wig looks like. I'm doing like a half up, half down. So this is my first time like doing a style on a wig. I just gotta fix it up while it's on my head. But yeah, this hair is so pretty, y'all. Like, it's so cute. It's so full and I just love it so much. So I'm so excited for this hair. But yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You guys are new. What's up? My name is Jaylynn. Come part of the Jaylynn name today, y'all. So I'm still working on getting back. I'm still working on getting my camera fixed or whatever. So I'm still on my phone. So but let me shut up and let's get started with today's video. So y'all can tell by the the title and everything, I'm gonna be doing a wig install like I said. But this video is just gonna be like fast forward like the other one was. So y'all just gonna watch me install the wig or whatever, style the wig, do what I gotta do to the wig. And yeah, so basically I had already put some got to be glued on here. This is what keeps the cap down. So when y'all do y'all's wigs, use this to keep it down, and then you're gonna have to cut it or whatever. But yeah, so this is the cap. The cap. I try to get my hair as flat as possible, y'all, because I don't braid my hair for real. So like I like to, you know, pat it down, make sure everything is secure. But yeah, so this video is going to be fast forward. I'm about to go grab some makeup real quick, so I'll be right back. But enjoy the motherfucking video.
In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. Keep doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. Just some me time. Keep doing what you want. Maybe I'll love myself. I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I want to be around. You talking more and more. I just think we ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if it's love, I wanna drown. I need to hear it from you. And we know you can tell me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart in your hand? Gotta learn
let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've kept from losing the best in me. I worry that I wasted the best in me. Oh, you, baby, you don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance, this is urgent. Trying to make sense of little change that me a war in my mind. Gotta let go away, he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will be up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm, I feel it. Still wanna try, still believe it. Good days, always inside. Good living in my mind. Hold me on my feet.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
always look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want it.
it's some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my picture to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want it.
it's some me time.
Hope you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want it.
it's some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want it.
it's some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster on the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the bar. Fairy tales, I'm not used to it. Oh, you got me questioning what it's done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're the necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down.
Okay, y'all, so basically it's the next day and my hair is finally done or whatever. But yeah, my hair is finally done. You know, I had just did my last week or whatever. But make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you guys are new, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye. Love y'all.